mag Jariembo mitoka mag safari rally Evans Kavisi nigi riyo mar rakore gi derepe wetene e piem mar WRC safari rally mibiro bage boma ma Naivasha kaunti ma Nakuru e kind tarik 20 gi 23 mar dweni. Kavisi ma ikonyo riembo gi nyawadgi Absalom Aswani geto timo maber e piem mag safari rally ma higani ka piem mare mogik e tuke mag safari rally ne niga mar 2023. Kavisi manitiere e Group N biro tiyo gi mitoke mar Evo X, mitoka mosetiyo godo chakre higa mar 2021. Jaloch mokalo Kale Robanpera, Elfin Evans, Thierry Novel, Otanak, Takamoto Katsuta, kachiel kod Adrian Fomax duto biro yuore tukego.
Part of the process we've gone through is rebuilding the car. Let's start from the bodywork all the way down to the engine. We've rebuilt that totally from the bottom up, and we typically need to run that in for a few kilometers to just make sure that everything gels before we actually map it properly and get it up going on the track. So that bit we are actually trying to sort of conclude, because then we have the diffs and the gearbox, the transmission, so to speak, to finish up.